Hey, good afternoon, folks. I'm Brandon Johnson, Southern Star Roofing, and today it's a beautiful Saturday here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Obviously, I'm on top of a church, and I wanted to educate you guys on something really quickly. There are two kinds of shingles. There are architectural shingles, and these are called cap shingles. Cap shingles are particularly designed for your ridges and your hips. But some contractors don't know what they're doing. This is an architectural, you can see the dragon tooth. This is an architectural shingle on the ridge vent. So they just use the improper installation, improper application. Whether they did it on purpose or they were just short of material, that's what's going on in this church. Amongst this church also having tons of wind damage. So we're here to help this congregation. We're Southern Star Roofing. We're out of Charlotte, North Carolina, Asheville, North Carolina, and Greenville, South Carolina.